Hey everybody, so for my first leader, I'm going to choose one that I think or that I know or am familiar with, and it's going to be my boss, the restaurant I work at. And I think he's somewhat successful because in the end, he gets everybody to do what needs to get done. But at the same time, he sometimes doesn't really want to approach people about situations that could be kind of tense. And I think that's his weakness. So I'd say he's a moderately strong leader, but not the best. And then as far as somebody I don't really know, I guess I'm just going to stick with an example within my company. My district operator, I've met him like twice. He comes by the store every now and then, and he's a nice guy. But he seems to be a pretty good leader because he's in charge of 11 different restaurants within our restaurant's franchise. So he does his job pretty successfully and keeps the businesses afloat. So, yeah, that's about it.